Right guys, back with another recap. Today we're going to be talking about, I'm going to be showing you at least my trade from today. Today's the 5th, not 15th, 22nd. Haven't traded since the 14th. I was obviously at work last week, the rest of the week. Monday was a half day, which is 20th. Yesterday I was busy, and today I'm obviously trading. Going to be planning to hopefully trade today, tomorrow and Friday. As I'm on AMs this week, I want to try to trade as much as I can because next week I think I've only got 2 days again I can trade, which is I think Monday and Wednesday. I'm on PMs the rest of the week otherwise. So I'll be leaving for work. I'll already be at work at this time usually. So let's dive into the trade. Obviously you're sitting in the background now. I was actually planning to take a different trade just beforehand, but I sort of flipped my narrative and flipped what I wanted to do. I think I based my trade a lot off the ES today, which maybe I should have just traded the ES instead, but it is what it is now. Took my trade off what seemed to me like a good sort of a stop run. People are going to be starting to get short. I think the market's going to be going down. I just took a quick long off of what seemed to me like a stop run. Pretty much got bottom tick entered, which is perfect. And then I manually killed the trade a couple points off my take profit, which again is completely fine by me. I could have held that trade for ages. I did move break even on the trade, but I didn't really want the trade to reverse on me. I wasn't sure 100% if it was going to go and boom through and boom up, which it has gone up. I think we're up at, last time I checked, we're up in the 60s, so we have gone up and made new highs on the day. But I didn't really want to sit there and play that trade. That's not how I trade. I take my trades, I take my profit sort of when it makes sense logistically at the first possible time to take profit for me. The same with my stops. I don't just leave my stops running for ages and ages and ages. I then take my stop off and I have a stop loss at the point that makes sense to me to sort of cancel that trade. So I took the trade today. Very happy with the outcome, obviously, nice and green. Only thing I could have done a little bit better was maybe take profit down a tiny bit, and I would have actually got filled on the trade, which would have given me another point or two, which is not the end of all at all, but it's more a case of I think maybe I went for a little more than I thought I was going to get. I could get in hopes, which maybe has cost me a point or two today, but it's not the end of all at all. With trading in general at the minute, I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing with trading one lot. I'm on an account which I don't have any rebills or anything like that on. It's funded account, so for me, I don't really want to sit there and start sizing up yet. I will be sizing up to 2 lots at some point soon. Probably whenever I get another week where I can trade the full week. That's when I'll be more willing to size up, because at the minute I'm only trading when I can. I have obviously requested to be working sort of hours that make it sense for me. I haven't heard it. I had an email from them saying that they've received it, but I haven't actually had anything else from that. So I would ideally like to be on AMs consistently. I don't really like PMs. For me, they're just not very nice. I tend to struggle a lot with PMs. PMs are at work for me. I can't trade, and the shift's just not very fun. So yeah, I don't wanna do that. I probably will try and see if I can get out of doing PMs for a bit, but we'll see from that. We'll go from that. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys did enjoy the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Bit of a interesting one. I just realised and just checked I am not on AMs again until the 11th. Well, I'm on AMs this week, and then I have 2 weeks of PMs, so I'll only be trading 4 days over 2 weeks. But then from the 10th onwards, for 2 weeks, I'm on AMs only. Hopefully by that point I will have had something back from scheduling so they can schedule me and change my hours. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to end the video here. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all being well on the next one. So